So starting the test drive in this AT4X, 6.2 liters, just so strong. Just coming out of corners, even with the Ecotech technology, it's a beast of an engine. Now with the AT4X trim, GM did something smart. There are a lot of people that like to get a Denali or get an SLT or something like that and then put all this money into lifting it up and putting a new bumper on it, so on and so forth. And GM was able to make something for about the same money that includes heated cooled seats, massage function, all of that. Let's give it a pull here. But you just get something that's luxurious and super tough at the same time. And it's not necessarily something that's been upfitted aftermarket. This comes straight from the factory like this. So you don't have to worry about voided warranties and all of that jazz. I'm gonna turn the cruise on here. Again, we get adaptive cruise. But a very aggressive truck. So the ride is not going to be like butter, but it is very smooth. The biggest thing is these off-road tires. And of course you have a lift on here as well. So it's just it's a tad bouncing. When I mean a tad, I mean you can't really tell. Most of what you can feel is coming from the actual tires. Like I can hear how loud the tires are. Not annoying, but definitely something that you can hear without necessarily trying to hear for it. But for everything that you get with this package, I'd take it in a heartbeat. And the AT4X is meant to be a more off-road oriented truck, so this one is almost, I feel like you could Baja this lightly. That's why you have that terrain mode. But you also get the comforts of having things like auto stop and adaptive cruise control, as opposed to getting a truck built like this. There's the auto stop there. Now for the price, you get a lot, but almost 85 grand, it's not a cheap truck. You will have a 4-figure payment without trying. And it's not going to be a low 4-figure payment either. But, I mean, you get adaptive cruise, again, a heated steering wheel, heated cooled seats, a power sunroof, beautiful headliner, heads-up display, just a ton of features. I could go on. And then this isn't even including the mechanical stuff. So the suspension, the lift, the steel bumper, the active exhaust, a ton of features come on this truck. And for 85 grand, you want to have everything. Now with this truck in particular, what's cool is you get a lifetime powertrain warranty from Chevrolet, Buick, GMC of Murfreesboro. I'll leave a link below in the description of their inventory. But the 6.2 V8, the 10-speed automatic, the drive axles, all that's covered under the lifetime powertrain warranty. So however long you own the vehicle, you're covered with that warranty. But if you're looking to find something closer to home, click on that second link down below. Takes a minute to fill out your info, and I'll make sure local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on any new vehicle you might be interested in. Final thoughts on the AT4X. It's an aggressive truck. It's easy to see out of with the hood, but you still have something that's hardcore with the steel front bumper. It's luxurious, even though the tires are relatively loud. You get blind spot monitors, adaptive cruise. If you have the money to get one of these, and you can afford it, not saying you can pay the payment, but if you can afford to have one of these and it's not going to break the bank, why not get it? It's just it's a ton of technology, a ton of off-road material, and just luxury to the max with massage seats. The best way to spend 85 grand on a pickup, in my opinion. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X.